Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you will have to open Settings, then go to the System section, Language and Input, Virtual Keyboard, Gboard, Languages, Add Keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. As you can see, it's pretty enormous. So let's select one of these languages. For example, maybe let's select Greek, Cyprus, tap done. And now let's try to write something down in the Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout here on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.